Mount Mitchell almost killed us. Honey, do you have any additional commentary with regards to the hike today?
The hike today?
Yeah.
Yeah. After we passed the last Sherpa village, we decided to trek on. Unfortunately, no man can live at this altitude for very long. So this will be the last recording of us alive. And our peak summit tomorrow will only be 50 feet away because I'm sure we did it all.
Watch out, Alice. It's coming.
Does anybody have anything else they'd like to add regards to the hike today?
When we run out of food tomorrow, we plan on meeting the Apaches and trading the paddle. Small dog.
I think so.
Delicious. Over a fresh fire.
There's probably a restaurant at the top.
What about you, Pat? Any thoughts on today?
They call
It's
it
treacherous.
El Nino.
I haven't camped in 5 years.
Hell of a way to get broken back in.
Yeah.
Courtney, what about you?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
It was fun.